Alright, welcome back boys and girls. So in today's video we're going to be looking at an introduction to materials. Alright. Now if you are new to Blender, this part is usually the outliner, but I have mine changed, so this is what you should see with a cube obviously. But alright, so I have this model here. Just something simple I put together for the tutorial. So I'm going to be introducing the materials tab to you guys in this video. If this sounds interesting guys, let's hop into it. Alright, so first things first, where can you find materials or what are materials? The materials, you can find them over here. And this is basically like the color you give a model. Alright, so in solid view you have this. If we hit Z on the keyboard, and we can head over to render or material preview. Alright, if you're doing some editing, material preview would be the best, then you render out later. So we want to use something like material preview. Alright, now materials, let me clear out this one. So to add a new material, you can click on this to add a new material slot, or click on this one and that will create a new material. Alright, you can add a new material slot on the same object that is given two different colors to the same object, and you can assign where would get which particular color. Right, so if you're using Blender 2.8, I think from the 2.8 version, I'm using 2.91, but from the 2.8 version you have these workspaces. Alright, so you can just click here and add and go to the shading workspace. Alright, so this will put you in material preview mode automatically and have other things. Alright, so in a future video we'll go over the shader editor. That's what this is, but I'll just close this for now. Alright, today we're going to be focusing solely on this panel here, materials. Alright, so let's just go straight into it. Alright, now in the recent versions of Blender, the default material is the principled BSDF. Alright, don't bother yourself with all these all these different nodes because they are confusing as a beginner. But this principled BSDF has everything you need, and in a future video I will cover it as well, but this is a basic introduction. So let's continue. Right, so the base color is what you are going to be changing in this tutorial, nothing more than the base color. Right, so let's click on the base color and we can change. You see that it affects the model directly because it is going in real time. Alright, let's choose light. I love dark skin tone still, so let's pick a slightly dark skin tone. Alright, now you can see this affects the model directly. Alright, so if we tap into edit mode, you can see new options appear. Alright, so if I add a new material slot, I can click on this to add a new material. Alright, now I have two different materials in this model, but only one is visible. Alright, so what you want to do is go into face select and select the faces you want this new material to be on. Click the new material and you hit assign. Alright, and if I tab back out, you see that this part of the model now possesses this material. Alright, so let's go back into edit mode and I'm going to show you what the other two options do. Alright, if I click this material and click select, you select every face that has that particular material. Deselect does the opposite. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, so that is basically it for the introduction. Alright, so if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to know a little bit more, I will be going more in depth in another video. But if you want to see that video sooner than later, just drop a comment in the comment section below and like this video so I know it helped you. Alright, so this has been the basic introduction to materials. Simple, direct. You can make renders with this even without knowing what the other things do, but you can make a solid render with this knowledge alone. All right, so until a future video, guys, this has been fun. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below to down below and click the notification bell right beside it so that you get notified every time I release a new video. Like this video, drop a comment, blah blah blah. I don't know what else to tell you, what else to get you to subscribe. Love you guys, man. All right, until next time.